Public key cryptography basics is the room. Today we have task number 8, the conclusion of this room. The last task. We have defined cryptography as the science of securing communication in the presence of adversaries. Another important science that studies how to break or bypass cryptographic systems is cryptanalysis. Cryptanalysis. Strange word. As for trying every possible password combination, we call that a brute force attack. However, when we know that the password is most likely a dictionary word, it will make more sense to try words from a dictionary instead of every possible password combination. This is called a dictionary attack. Cryptography is the science of securing communication and data using codes and ciphers. Cryptanalysis is the study of methods to break or bypass cryptographic security systems without knowing the key. Brute force attack is the attack method that involves trying every possible key or password to decrypt a message. A dictionary attack is an attack method where the attacker tries dictionary words or combinations of them. This room focused on public key cryptography, asymmetric cryptography, and key exchange. It gives us an essential understanding of RSA, Diffie-Hellman, SSH key pairs, digital signatures and certificates, and OpenPGP. Now it is time to learn about hashing. Answer the questions below and ensure you have noted the various techniques and tools discussed in this room. Check.